So a lot of our managers and our main core team, they've been with us for 3, 4 years, and they've been with us for quite a long time. And I would say I was a lot easier to work with when I first started with the company. I was a lot more patient. Um, it just, I'd say I'm still a joy to work with, but at the same time, as you're growing a company and you're getting bigger, there's different stressors in your life. There's different things you have to worry about. And I guess you no longer become a friend. You also become a boss at the same time. Because when you start off very small, where there's like 2, 3 people you're starting off with, you're all friends, and it's that kind of relationship. But then later, you have to take on the role of being someone's employer and a boss as you get larger and larger and create different structures and scale. And but what I see with my employees is this: they're like a mirror. They help me look at myself in the most real way possible. They help me see my shortcomings because, to be honest, every time I point out, you're not doing this right, you're not doing that right, hey, we can do this better, or let's try to be more efficient, speed things up like this, it's just a reflection of myself. And I value that so much. And that makes me want to become better. So I would say, yeah, my team, they hold me accountable, and they they make me want to work for them even harder and provide them the tools necessary for them to become better, have a better workplace, and just overall, it's grown a lot of my character as well. I've learned to love more and to teach, to be a leader, to guide. Um, but that's my first thing, the ugly side first. I think a lot of business owners have to see that they're not perfect, right? You might think that your one way of leadership is being well received, but it might not be. But you have to get down and dirty and get into the trenches with your team in order to find that out. So yeah, my team members, I just see it like that. No matter how much larger I get, or how much larger the company gets, the less I speak with our team members, I still want to emphasize, and I still get into the trenches with them, have those real conversations with them as much as possible. No matter how big you get, you have to still do that in order to feel the pulse of your company. So yeah.